Experiment Ohm's law. Aim to determine the resistance per unit centimeter of a given wire and plot a graph of potential difference versus current. Apparatus required. Ammeter. As you can see, since there is an A written over here, it can be easily understood that it is an ammeter. The red point tells us that it is a positive terminal and the black point tells that it is a negative terminal. The range of ammeter is 3 ampere and the division between 1 ampere is 20. So the least count of the ammeter is 1 upon 20 is equal to 0.05 ampere.
As here we can see written here V, which stands for voltmeter. Voltmeter is used to determine potential difference. Here is the magnet wire of length 50 centimeter. Its resistance is to be calculated. It is always connected in parallel with the voltmeter. The least count of voltmeter is 1 upon 20, that is 0.05 volts. And here are 3 divisions, then 3 volt.
The battery consists of 2 dry cells, as you can see here, each of 1.5 volt. These are primary cells, which can be used only once.
It is a rheostat, also known as potential divider. It is used to control the supply of battery, connected between the lower and upper ends. Manganese wire is wounded over the insulated cylinder, since its resistance does not change with change in temperature. Lower point of the rheostat has less resistance and higher point has higher resistance.
In Ohm's law, the positive terminal of voltmeter is connected to the negative terminal of ammeter. Then positive terminal of ammeter is connected to key, one-way key. Then the second point of key is connected to the positive terminal of battery, and then the second terminal of battery is connected to the potential divider. The other end of potential divider is connected to the negative end of voltmeter. This circuit is complete. As the key is plugged in and the jockey of the rheostat is at the minimum resistance position, then you can note the reading of ammeter and voltmeter. As ammeter is at 9th division, then 9 into least count of ammeter, then you will get the reading, total reading of ammeter, which is in ampere. The reading of voltmeter, as you can note the division, this is 16 division into the least count. You will get the total reading in volts. Then by variation of this resistance, you can note the proper readings, and up to the reading become 0. Then by combining all the reading, you can draw the graph. This is the circuit diagram of the basic circuit, and the practical can be written in the following headings: objective, then apparatus, then the principle used. Then you can plot the graph in which current is on current is on y-axis and voltage is on x-axis. By taking the proper scale, the graph will be a straight line starting from the origin. This is the observation, and this is the observation table, which contain 3 columns: voltmeter reading, ammeter reading, and resistance. Now this is the result, which gives you the value of resistance per centimeter. If the resistance is obtained and divided by 50, then you will get the resistance per centimeter. These are the precautions, and finally these are the sources of error. This is the practical Ohm's law.